Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Surgeon YT once again. So today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to sell your gift cards easily in Nigeria using an application called Tbay. And before we get on with this video, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please hit that subscribe button right now and make sure to click on that bell icon so that I get notifications to know whenever I upload a new video on this channel. So before we start, I asked an AI to give me some of the 10 best platforms to sell gift cards in Nigeria, and in no specific order. You can see right there's a platform called Tbay, and it's a great platform to sell gift cards in Nigeria. Now we're going to be going straight into the video, and I'm going to be logging into Tbay. You can just go directly to your Google search, or then you can search for Tbay. I can see right there, this is the platform. And if you do not use a laptop, then you can easily get that on your Android device. So you can just search for Tbay on your Google Play Store, and then you're gonna get the application directly on your device. You can see right here, Tbay sell gift cards, and you can see on the Google Play Store. And then you can also check the reviews, and you can check the ratings of the application on the Google Play Store, and you're gonna see that it actually has really good ratings on the Google Play Store. You can see it has a 4.9 star review and 4.9 star rating with 4.82K reviews. That's 4,800 people, and it has over 100,000 downloads, which is a whole lot of downloads. But for this video, I'm going to be using the web version because I'm going to be logging in using a PC. So I'm just going to tap on this right here, and then you can see the sign in and the sign up button. So basically, I have an account for this already, but I'm just going to be showing you guys what the sign up form looks like. Now, when you want to sign up for Tbay, you can see right here, you're just going to put in your email address. You're gonna be sending a verification code to your email address, and then you're just gonna be verifying that right here. Then you're gonna be putting in your username, and then you're gonna be putting in a dedicated password. And then if you have an invitation code, you're gonna input it here. You can see my invitation code right there on the screen. So you guys should just put in it in invitation code, and then I'm gonna get a bonus when you create an account. And then when you create your own account, you're also gonna be given a referral code. And then when you wanna invite other people to use the application, you can also send them the invite code, and then you're gonna get a bonus. So now I'm just gonna be logging into my account. I'm just gonna be tapping on sign in. Now you can see success right there, and then my account is logged in. Now there's something I really love about this platform is one that when you log in for even the first time, there's no real clutter on the platform. The platform goes straight to the point, and the scrolling that I guess right there immediately you can see different gift cards for sale that you can sell. You can sell your Razer gift card, your American Express, your Good gift card, your Vanilla, your Apple and iTunes gift card. Basically, once you open the application, you immediately see all these. Now, if you want to sell your gift card using this platform, all you have to do is you're going to come to the top part right here, and then you're just going to tap on sell gift card. Now, once you tap on sell gift card, you can see right here, this is our Steam gift card. You can come to this category right here, and then you can change it depending on the gift card you have. Now, Amazon gift card is one of the most popular gift cards out there for selling and buying. So you can just tap on that if that's what you want to sell, and then you can come here and then you can change the currency you want this in. So basically, I'm just going to be leaving that in USD because it's mostly prevalent in USD. Now, when you come down here, you're going to see a lot of buyers. Now, you can see a lot of buyers on this platform, and there's something unique to each buyer. Each buyer has their own rate that they're going to accept this gift card. Now, this person is selling at first, this person is buying at 471, this is buying at 451, this is buying at 471. But that's not what you're really looking at in this. What you're looking at is the rating of the buyer. Now you can see this first buyer at Diego. I don't know if I pronounced that correctly. You can see right here the person has made a total sales of 10,459, which is a lot. And then you can see the feedback on this particular person. You can see 296,000 times, and then this person has joined over 2 years ago or over 3 years ago. They have been using this application over 3 years, and then you can see their transaction amounts in points, and this is a whole lot of points. This is about 21 million points, and you guys are going to understand the point system when I explain it to you later in this video. And you can see right here, you can see all the transactions that this person has been doing on the platform, and then you can see the feedback. This person has 27,000 feedbacks on their transactions, and you can see most of them, they are all basically positive reviews from real people that have sold gift cards to this particular person. So when you want to sell your gift card on the platform, one thing you want to watch out for is we are actually sending your gift card to, you want to make sure it's someone that has really good rating as opposed to good rates. But you can also check out for good rates, and I can see the limits of this person. This person is collecting between 25 to 100 USD. Like the lowest they're gonna collect for an Amazon gift card is gonna be 25 USD, and then that's to 100 USD. Now, for you to sell your gift card, you're just gonna tap on the sell now button, and then once you tap on that, it's gonna bring out this little window. And then basically, what you're gonna do in this video is you're gonna put the face card value of your Amazon gift card. Let's say you want to sell a gift card worth $100, then you're gonna receive 72 points after selling this gift card, and 72.62 points is gonna give you about 47,000 in Naira, and then you can also get that in USD. Now, I'll prefer you do this in Naira when you're exchanging, so you're just gonna put that in Naira, and then you can see where you're gonna get after doing this. Now you're gonna put your gift card code right here, and then you're gonna input images of a gift card. For you to do that, you're just gonna tap on this plus icon after taking some images of your gift card, and then you're gonna send this. Now there's the waiting period. Now you're just gonna wait for a while. After tapping on sell now, it's gonna be this little pending period where the dealer is validating your transaction, and then once that's approved, you're gonna get your points in your points account. So basically, while you're doing that, you can be chatting with the seller right here. This is a chat bot, so basically you can be talking with the seller on your transaction. Now once your transaction is complete, your points are going to be added here to your points account. Now you're just going to tap on your points account, and then once you get your points account, you can tap on withdraw for you to withdraw your funds from the Tbay platform. So I'm just going to tap on withdraw, and then once you tap on that, you're going to get a dedicated window right here. You can see your points. You can sell your points for NGN right here. So I'm just going to tap on sell now, and then you can see how many points you want to sell. So let's assume I sold the 100 USD and I've traded my 100 USD and I've gotten it in points. So basically, like I said before, you're going to be getting 72.62 points for trading 100 USD worth of Amazon gift card. And then once you get that, you can see your trading limit is between 160 points to 10,000 points. So basically, I feel like your points are going to have to be about 100 or more. So I'm just going to be putting in about 160 or more. So I'm just going to be putting in 200 points, and then you're going to receive the sum of 129,000 in NGN. And then once you get that, you're just gonna put in your payment method. You can just put in your bank account, and then you can put in your bank account number, and then you're just gonna tap on sell now, and then you're gonna receive your funds directly into your account. So basically, that's all about this platform. The platform is very, very easy to use and very, very fast. And once you create your account, there's another thing. You can just come directly to your settings right here, and then you're gonna come to your ID verification. Make sure you do your verification. I don't think you're gonna be able to trade before you do your verification. So I'm just referencing the beginning of this video. I should have said this at the beginning of this video. You're just gonna tap on ID verification, and then you're gonna complete a very, very quick verification. So you're just gonna put in your country. You're gonna select your type of ID. If you're gonna be using your ID card, your passport, or your driver's license, the ID card, you can use your NIN to verify on the Tbay platform. You're gonna put in your phone number. You're gonna put in a date of birth that correlates with your ID. Then you're gonna put in your real name that also correlates to your ID, and then you're just gonna tap on next, and then you're gonna be validated within very few minutes. It does not take a lot of time to be verified on the platform. And then immediately you're done with that, you can just come right here, and then you can start trading your gift cards. So basically, guys, that's all for this video. I'm gonna be entertaining questions. So if you guys have any questions regarding this video, make sure you hit me up in the comment section below, or I'm also going to be dropping a link to my Telegram group and my channel in the description of this video. So if you have any personal questions, or maybe not on this video, or if you also have on this video, make sure you can just hit me up in my Telegram group, and then I'm going to be attending to you guys' questions as quickly as possible. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm going to catch you guys in the next video.